So she wants to walk to the Walmart.
Yes, she does.
And the Walmart is way down there. It's like 3 Vegas blocks.
It's right. It's not.
Yes, it is.
It's right across the street.
Okay. All right.
Literally.
What time is it? All right. Let's see how long it takes.
What time is it?
2:09.
2:09. We made it to the Walmart. Almost. Can't wait till we walk inside and see what time it is. Guess where we made it to?
The Walmart.
The Walmart.
Just 20 minutes.
20 minutes. It's gonna be so worth it.
You were motivated to go. So. I just need to find a bag of chips. That's all.
We're gonna see when we get in here.
And there's a Sam's over there too.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Why?
Yeah. So pretty. Y'all ready for Christmas? You ready for Christmas, baby?
Sure. My legs work now. Yes.
So y'all see where we ended up, right? We came to Walmart. I wanted to come to Walmart because he needs a new cup because he lost his cup on the Carnival Friends. But this is why he wanted to come to Walmart right here. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Look where he at. It's like Catalina all over again, just shenanigans. Chips shenanigans is what. Look at this. Look, y'all. Y'all see that? You know he already got some in the cart, right? Look. Look at what's in the cart. What you got to say for yourself? What you got to say for yourself?
Congratulations to me.